Hey kids, it's Teacher Graham.
And Mr. Hua.
Are you ready to do our science lessons for today? Let's grab our science books and get ready. Today is Tuesday, the 18th of February in 2020. Let's get our Science Daily 3 books, Big Idea 5, and go to Week 1, Day 2. Why does it get hot in a car on a sunny day when it is cold outside? We have 3 parts to today's lesson: vocabulary, reading, and our tasks. Let's start with vocabulary. Are you ready? First is absorb. Repeat after me. Absorb. Absorb. Absorb is to take up or take in completely. Think of when you're doing the dishes and you use a sponge. The sponge soaks up and takes all the water in completely so you can add the soap and then do your washing. Opaque. Repeat after me. Opaque. Opaque. Opaque is something that does not allow light to pass through it. Look at this picture here. The black material makes it so no light passes through and you can't see behind it. Transparent. Repeat after me. Transparent. Transparent. Something that's transparent allows all the light to pass through it. Maybe this is a piece of glass, and if something was behind it, we could see it very clearly because it's transparent. Pass through. Pass through. When something can pass through, that means the path is not blocked. Seat. Seat. Maybe you can find a seat on an airplane, in your classroom, or in a car. This is where you get to sit down. Dashboard. Repeat after me. Dashboard. Dashboard. A dashboard displays different kinds of information that we need while doing a particular job. Alright, let's do some review of the words that we just learned. Do you remember any of these words? Let's go from the top left down. So we have absorb, opaque, seat, transparent, pass through, dashboard. Great work! Now time to do some reading. Let's read together. When a ray of sunlight hits a transparent object, such as a window, it passes through the object. If a ray hits an opaque object, such as a wall, the object absorbs the sun's energy. A car's windows are transparent, but the things inside, such as the seats and dashboard, are opaque. They absorb the sun's energy. Heat builds up in the car.
Rồi, và bây giờ sau khi các con được học từ vựng mới và đọc bài thì sau đây thầy sẽ tóm tắt bài sau đây. Như các con đã thấy trên hình chúng ta có một vật thể trong suốt. Nó cho phép ánh sáng mặt trời đi xuyên qua và chúng ta có thể nhìn xuyên qua bên phía bên kia của vật cho dù nó bị cản trở. Và đây vật ở thể đục, đây là vật ở thể đục, nó không cho phép ánh sáng đi qua và chúng ta không thể nhìn xuyên qua nó.
Time to do some questions. Are you ready? Question 1. When does sunlight pass through the object? You're correct. When the sunlight hits the transparent object. Question 2. When does the object absorb the sun's energy? Well done. When the sun rays hit the opaque object. Now let's complete some tasks. Question A. Look at each object below. Write whether it is transparent or opaque. We have 4 different pictures. Can anybody tell me what these pictures are? Number 1 is a window. Good job. Do you think that's transparent or opaque? You're right, it's transparent. Good work. How about question number 2? What is this? You got it, it's a brick wall. Do you think it's opaque or transparent? Congratulations, it is opaque. Well done. Question 3. PU, what's that? It's a sock. Is it transparent or opaque? Good job, it is opaque. Question 4. What might this be? Right, it's a glass full of water and ice. Is it transparent or opaque? You got it, it's transparent. Now for our next task, question B. Number the steps below in the correct order to show how a car gets hot inside. Let's read them together from top to bottom. The temperature inside the car goes up. Things inside the car absorb the light and heat. Sunlight shines on the car. The light passes through the windshield. Now, we'll take a moment and reread these and correct them from number 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is first to last. Where's number 1? Fantastic. Sunlight shines on the car first. Now let's find number 2. Now on your own, please complete number 2 and 3. Have you finished? Keep going. Okay, number 2. That's right, the light passes through the windshield. Now for number 3. You got it. Things inside a car absorb the light and the heat. Finally, number 4. Well done. The temperature inside the car goes up. Don't forget to mark your answers. Thank you for your time today. Don't forget to do your homework, review all your previous lessons and your lessons today, and we'll see you next time.